Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing an unboxing and review of Oud Orange Intense by Fragrance du Bois. Before we get started, if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for your support. If you guys are not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and activate the notification bell. That would mean so much to me. All of your support has meant so much to me. And without further ado, let's get into this unboxing / review. This is part of my birthday gift, and there's a birthday perfume haul coming up soon. I just haven't received all of them. And actually, November is my birthday month. I'm a Scorpio. All my fellow Scorpios, please let me know down in the comments below if that's your sign. If not, that's okay. That doesn't make you a bad person. Just kidding. JK, I'm totally kidding. So this was part of my birthday gift. And this one surprisingly arrived pretty fast considering it was coming from Dubai. I got this in a matter of a few days after I purchased it. I was really shocked. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. This box is so luxurious. It looks so expensive, and it is. The Fragrance du Bois is pricey, but I feel like it's just so worth the price tag. So it opens like this. And I just loved this gold Fragrance du Bois emblem right there. It's just so posh, so luxurious. And then you have this velvet box that looks like this. This is just stunning. This is stunning. This can easily be used as a box to store your watch, your jewelry, and this is what the inside looks like. The fragrance is in there. And I got the small baby one, red satin inside. Again, this is so pure luxury. This is so opulent, so decadent. I am shook to the core. And then you have this little pouch. These are little oud chips, which I'm gonna hang on to. And they use 100% pure, sustainable, highest quality natural perfume oils. Then you have the bottle, which looks like this. And this bottle is luxurious AF. I mean, it doesn't get more luxurious than this. Probably the most luxurious fragrance bottle that I own. And I do own some luxury fragrances, as you guys know, but this bottle is just everything. It's everything. So I'm gonna read the notes to you. So in the top you get coconut and fruit. In the middle you get vanilla bourbon. The base notes are vanilla, musk, pure organic vintage oud, of course, which is in all their fragrances. Let me spray some on and tell you what this smells like. So this basically smells like heaven. This is what I imagine heaven smelling like. This is what I imagine angels smelling like. So in the opening, you get those fruity notes. You get some oud. This is a very beginner-friendly oud. It's a sweet oud, very mild. If you never tried oud and don't know what it smells like, you will still love this because it's a very non-offensive, not barnyard smelling oud. It's very well blended into the fragrance, and it's very sweet, very delicate. I don't detect much of coconut, like it's playing there maybe a little bit in the background, but for the most part, it's just a beautifully blended fruit salad. And it just smells sophisticated, it smells sensual, it smells exotic, smoky, a little bit powdery. This scent just gives me all types of feels, and it keeps me smelling my wrist over and over and over and over again as I go through the day. I have been wearing this non-stop. I've been reaching for this. I can't pass by this without sniffing it. It's the most intoxicating scent ever. Intoxicating. That's just the word for it. It's addictive, it's intoxicating, it's opulent. I get some orange as it dries down, and you get less of the oud. It's not there at all at some point. Like, I don't detect it much. It starts smelling like the orange marmalades, which I love, but like a very expensive, high quality orange marmalades. So it smells delicious, gourmand. This smells very refined. This is very well blended. It's blended to perfection. You can't really tell where one note ends, one begins, creating a beautiful symphony of notes. It dries down absolutely beautifully. It's soft, there's vanilla. It's addictive, it's so sensual. This is opulent, this is decadent, this is smooth, this is expensive smelling. This is just an intoxicating, beautiful scent. I have a video where I do a sampling of the Fragrance du Bois perfumes. I'm not sure if at this point I'll have the video out already or if I'm putting this out after this one, but definitely be on the lookout for it. And I review some of the other ones from the house. And so far, this has been my favorite. I still have not sampled. I have not gotten my nose on Santal Complet. Complet is one that I really, really would like to try. Fragrance du Bois, I see you. If you ever see this video, please hook me up. I will be the happiest girl. It's my birthday month. I am really, really impressed with this beautiful scent. The bottle, everything from the packaging to the box, the bottle, presentation, everything just screams opulence, decadence, wealth. This fragrance is just absolutely intoxicating, and it's worth every penny. I have to say, it's worth every penny. This is not overhyped to me at all. It's pricey, but it's not overhyped. It's worth the price tag and worth the hype. The hype is real, yo. This also has great longevity. This stays on my skin 9-10 hours and plus. 9-10 plus hours. This has amazing longevity. It has moderate sillage and moderate projection, and I have gotten compliments with this one. I have been asked, what are you wearing? I had a lady type it into her phone. I was approached at the store and asked what fragrance I was wearing, and when I told her, she has never heard of it, so she put the information into her phone, because this is just intoxicating. This is top-notch feeling. This is getting up there in my top favorite niche houses. So yeah, you guys, this is so good. I'm sorry I keep raving about this, but it's just that good. Try to get your nose on it. Try to sample it. See what you think. And this is Oud Orange Intense by Fragrance du Bois. That completes my video for today. Let me know in the comments below if you have tried any of the Fragrance du Bois perfumes. If you have not, are you wanting to try them? Please let me know what you think. And thank you so much for watching. And I hope to see you back here soon. Take care.